Hi guys, welcome back to Nature Series Episode 2.
Yes, we just did one yesterday, and we're in short.
Happy Easter, because today is Easter.
Yeah.
Do you guys like my Hanafuda earrings? I can't wait till the 23rd, because Demon Slayer Season 3 is almost dropping out, and it drops on the 23rd. So, yesterday, we walked and rode our bikes for, let's say, 3 hours.
Yeah.
We walked for so many hours.
This is
We're doing the same walk as we did yesterday.
Yeah.
Next, we're going to do a family walk,
Yeah.
but I can't tomorrow because I have a track meet.
Yeah. So we'll be back not next weekend, but the other weekend. That's when we always episode videos. But
When I'm with Jade, I always upload videos. Well, not really.
not.
Sometimes at my dad's house. But that's not important.
Because we are the family here.
Yeah.
No sour.
Jade's also eating another pickle sickle.
It was a penguin.
It was.
I'm almost done with it.
Oh, we could have walked on the sidewalk. We're gonna walk on this. #dangerous.
What?
I just walked on that. #dangerous. Don't ever do that.
Okay, guys. It's really windy as you can see. It's so windy out. Yeah.
And today we have our Easter egg hunt from Nana. 200
Yes.
eggs split with 5 kids.
200 eggs with 5 kids. So that you will get a lot of eggs.
And we get eggs with money.
Now, there's going to be like 1.
No?
Yeah.
Nana said there was one for each of us.
That doesn't have money in it. So that's her yard. That's her backyard. We'll show you her front yard.
Not the address though.
Not the address.
Please.
But we live on McKinley Street.
We're not telling the town.
They probably already know the town, but okay.
Some of our viewers, not all of them. Like Charlie.
Yeah. Mila. Oh, there's our friend's house. Now, Elvis comes to my birthday party. She ain't coming to mine. No, she's mine, but you love her at my birthday party.
I was mainly talking to Jillian.
Mainly. But
Because she's my favorite cousin.
I got like teenager cousins. I don't really
She's
have.
turning 18 this year.
I knew her about to turn 18. So
Next year.
well, so we're just on our nature trail. So yeah, this is our first walk. Almost at the house. There's our house. You can't really see it, but yeah.
There's Amelia's grandma's house.
I try not to show that. We didn't really get to the address, so yeah. That's another one. Addison's best friends. Blues.
Isn't it getting hot out here?
What?
That's Amelia's grandma's parents' house.
That's on that hill?
Yeah.
Try not to. I'm trying not to show the addresses.
See, Crowy. That's Amelia's left one.
I'm almost done, so I have to drop this off at the house. Or just put it in your bag.
Never mind, it's my grandma. Literally says grandma right here. I'm gonna drop off my cardigan. It's getting hot out.
Yeah. There's our neighbor's house.
Looks like he's going camping sometime. Yes, it's almost hit.
There's our house. We were getting close in our house.
There's my bike. It's getting smoked. I have a new bed.
We see this thing out. We did that in 6 minutes. Or 18 seconds. That was good timing. We got that. We're gonna probably go to the. There's where we're having the Easter egg hunt. There's a boat. It has LED lights in it, so yeah.
So we're not doing house tour. Turn it off.
What?
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.